How to create your dumb photo trend on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram application on your device and make sure to log into your account. Tap your story at top left and choose the photo for your July dump. After you choose your photo or video, you need to simply tap on the sticker icon at top right. And now you need to choose Add Yours option. And here you need to write a prompt that is your July dump. And once you have written this prompt, you need to tap on down button at top right and you can easily adjust this anywhere of your choice. Now you need to tap your story at bottom left corner of your screen and this story will be added on your Instagram. So whenever people tap add yours on your story, they can upload their own July down photos. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.